So we are now seeing some huge catalysts for Dogecoin that can help its price to move up very soon. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! First of all, let's see the overall crypto market outlook. So we are now seeing that some cryptos have faced a slight correction in their prices. And this has led the total crypto market cap to fall around $2.3 trillion from $2.4 trillion. And this means that there is currently a slight halt in the market after we witnessed some strong price movements during the Christmas weekend. But the good thing is that the total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is sitting around $100 billion, which makes about a 35% increase. And it is a good thing because investors are currently coming to the crypto market, eyeing some long-term gains. And another good thing is that the fear and greed sentiment in the market is now steadily fading away. This suggests that all of the fear and FUD that was prevalent in the market recently has faded. And now, investors have realized that now is the ideal moment to invest in the crypto market. And this is why we are seeing that the total crypto market volume has increased by about 35% in the last 24 hours. So this is a bullish indicator, and this is why I think that the crypto market will enter the new year with strong momentum from here. And talking about the potential surge for the crypto market, we are now seeing that the Memecoin economy led by Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is already looking pretty good. So we know that about 2 to 3 weeks ago, the Memecoin economy was down more than 10% and it was hovering just above the $47 billion region. But as of now, we are seeing that the Memecoin economy has increased in value. This is because coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin Mars have seen significant gains during the last 7 days. During the last 7 days, we are seeing that Dogecoin has jumped by more than 5%, while Shiba Inu spiked around 13% during that time frame. And as a result, the market valuation of the meme-based crypto economy is now sitting around $54 billion, up almost 15% since the first week of December. So the point is that these meme coins have rebounded significantly, and while they have already shed off some losses, they are now looking to gain more momentum from here. And Dogecoin has impressed me the most since it has risen consistently throughout this time. And now if we come to its current price movements, we are seeing that Dogecoin has faced a slight drop after hitting the 19 cents resistance level. It saw some pressure in that region and has dropped to the 18 cents range in the last 24 hours. But this is not bad at all for Dogecoin, since this is a healthy price correction for it. And this is because Dogecoin has not lost support around the 18 cents level. And it means that it will again try to clear the resistance level of 19 cents. And this time it is highly likely that it will clear it since, as I said in my previous video, the number of holders of Dogecoin has been increasing. I think this will provide Dogecoin with enough momentum to go past this resistance level. And another good thing is that Doge is still trading above the 20-day simple moving average along with maintaining a neutral relative strength index. So this is why I think that Doge is going to clear the 19 cents resistance, and there is now a strong likelihood that it is going to surge to 23 cents price level by the end of December. And now let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So as per famous crypto analyst Tech Deb, just like the 2 previous halving cycles, Bitcoin has made its first local high with 2-week RVI and saw some resistance near the cycle log of 1.618 fib. And it then found support near the cycle log of 1.472 fib. And while doing so, Bitcoin made higher lows on a weekly closing basis. So what he is saying is that if we look at these different cycles, we are seeing that right now Bitcoin is making higher highs and higher lows. And it is actually a bullish sign for Bitcoin as we are about to approach the 1.618 Fibonacci level. And this is going to be pretty amazing for Bitcoin, as it means that there is still a possibility that Bitcoin can reach the $100,000 all-time high. It is not going to come right away, but it will come over time. In fact, I think we can expect Bitcoin to reach this level in 2 to 3 months. And another thing we are now seeing for Bitcoin is that we now have a classic hidden bullish diversion for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. And this is suggesting that the trend continuation in 2022 for Bitcoin is going to be very positive. So this confirms that we now have a bullish diversion for Bitcoin on the Relative Strength Index. And this bullish divergence is confirming that Bitcoin is not stalled out and is not entering into the bear phase. In fact, Bitcoin is going up from here. Moreover, if Bitcoin managed to go above the 21-day exponential moving average on the weekly chart, it will trend up higher. And this again brings the $100,000 thesis into the play for Bitcoin. And while we are talking about how Bitcoin can hit the 100K all-time high in the next 2 to 3 months, I want to talk about its yearly candles to make a clear picture for you all. So if you look at these yearly candles, you can see that overall we have like the 3 years of time frame where Bitcoin goes up. And then we have the halving cycles, and due to it, things go down in the next 3 years. And it appears that this trend cycle is repeating throughout the years. However, I think that this year, Bitcoin is going to break this pattern and there will be no downtrend after the 3 years of completion this time. And as you can see that overall Bitcoin has been growing pretty good and pretty consistently over time. It went up about 34% in 2015, and then it went down 73% in 2018. And that was the time when people were saying that Bitcoin and cryptos were over. But then Bitcoin bounced back in 2019 and went up 94%. And so far in 2021, we are seeing that Bitcoin has gone up about 75%. And I think that it is going to continue its rally in the coming year as well. And now, as we have just seen how things are looking pretty amazing for Bitcoin and how we may see it hitting a new all-time high next year, I'd like to remind you that this is also bullish for Dogecoin. This is because we know that Dogecoin's price correlation with Bitcoin is still pretty high right now. In fact, it has remained this high for some time now, even higher than all other cryptos. And this is why I think that if Bitcoin is going to hit a new all-time high in 2022, Dogecoin is also going to do the same. So I think that we may see Dogecoin hitting a new all-time high in 2022, and maybe we may see it hitting the most anticipated $1 price level at some point in 2022. And besides Dogecoin and Bitcoin, things are also turning out quite nicely for Shiba Inu. For example, we are now seeing that its burning rate has been increasing. In fact, it rose dramatically in December only. And just recently, about 240 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned by the bigger entertainment team at a Christmas Shiba Inu burn party. And this is not it. According to data provided by Etherscan, various entities have burned a total of 370 million Shiba Inu coins in the last 24 hours. So this means that more and more Shiba Inu tokens have been burning. And as we know that this leaves a positive impact on the token's value, I think we are going to see its effects on SHIB very soon. And another good thing for Shiba Inu is that its popularity has risen dramatically during 2021. In fact, Shiba Inu has left behind Bitcoin in terms of its popularity. And as per CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu made a splash as the most viewed coin for the year on the platform. It came out ahead of Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. And the meme coin leader, Dogecoin, stood at the 3rd spot on the list. So this means that 2021 has proven to be the year of meme coins as they have recorded large growth in a very short time. And we know that the most important of these have been Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And this is why I'm pretty bullish about both of these for next year as well. And I think that they will grow more in terms of their value and adoption. And I'm more bullish about Dogecoin because there is a lot coming for it in 2022. As I shared with you all in my recent video, Michai Lumen, who is a Dogecoin developer, has hinted towards some big developments coming up for Dogecoin. And he thinks that 2022 is going to be a major year for Dogecoin. So the point is that 2022 is going to be the year where some massive global developments for Dogecoin will happen. And this is because we know that the Dogecoin team is making some real impactful strides. So if all turns out well, we will be seeing a massive surge in Dogecoin's price along with its adoption. And this is why I'm so excited about it. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Where do you think Dogecoin is headed from here? Let me know in the comments section below.